Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Security and Privacy in Smart Health, Efficient Policy Hiding, Attribute-Based Access Control. Abstract. Let us see the abstract of this process. Smart health is still in its early stage and many concerns remain to be solved for particular applications. Like here, in particular, data security and privacy issues have the biggest concerns of the people in smart health. They're facing many problems in their health record preserving. Okay. Then data security and user privacy concern in smart health have not been adequately addressed here. So as well as received a solution to realize the fine-grained access control like giving the ciphertext attribute based encryptions has a potential to ensure the data security in smart health. Access policy are in the clear text from and rule the sensitive health record to be kept in an encrypted form, so the smart health records will be highly secured. Here we are going to keep our health record in a secure way and maintaining the privacy issues properly. Now let us see the flow of our process. Here there will be four members like authority, owner, user and IoT, that is a local server here. Okay, here the authority has to be initialize the system, because after the initialization only any person can be login into the system or they can use the system. After their initialization, the owners need to be login into the system. Before login they have to register here. While registering itself, the system would get their attributes. According to the attributes only they may be login into the system. After the login they need to be upload the health record dataset. After uploading that they need to pre-processing that dataset. After pre-processing only they have to send this to the local server. After the local server would encrypt that dataset and it would send it to the cloud server for the storage purpose. And then here the user, then user comes to the system. While here the user is considered to be the same person who is already uploaded the dataset, because the owner and user places the same role here. Okay, then the user needs to log in into the system and they may download what they uploaded already into the system. Now let's see the running procedure of this project. Here the healthcare, that is our project. In this we are going to run the first index file. Right click this file and run it. Now we are going to inside of this system. Here the healthcare authority is here. Here they need to initialize the system. After initialization only we need to access the system. Now the data owner login page has arrived. So if the owner is new to the system, they may click here to register into the system. After the registration they may log in into this. Already the owner is here means they can directly sign in here. Okay, now the user is new to the system, so here they need to register. Okay, without registering, if the someone is going to hack means they no need to register here, they directly log in. So while logging they need to fill after this field only they may enter into the system. So for this purpose we have kept the validation here. Okay, now I am logging into the system. After here I am going to sign up. It is shows the register successfully. After registration it also won't allow you. So for this purpose you need to get the permission from the authority. So I am getting permission. Here the access, that is the authority. So you may see the request who have come here. So after this only he will be granting the permission to access the system. After permission granted, they may directly log in into the system by using what they give when their username and password. They log in successfully. Then they may choose the healthcare dataset. After this, the data, because it is a dataset means, so we have to do pre-processing steps. So I am doing here the pre-processing. After the pre-process, they need to move for next step, that is the local server gateway. Here they have to pick the dataset which is they want to give into the server. So I need to give this to the server. So I am selecting this dataset and giving. So I need to send a request to the local server. So the local server page has arrived. So the local server may click here and see what is the request it has there. So the dataset has come into this text area. Okay, they need to encrypt here. The local server is encrypting the dataset. Okay, after this encryption, it will be stored in the cloud storage. Okay, after this, the user part plays a main role. So the user, here the data user is come into the system. Here the data user and owner will be the same person. Already what we said in this flow of the project. So I'm using the same username and password what I already used to upload this dataset. Okay, here the healthcare dataset would be here. After clicking download, it would be encrypt the dataset and it will be shown this process. Overall process is completed. So thank you for watching this video.